I move to cite Attorney Lopez in contempt, Mr. Chair. I move.
Mr. Chair, before you make the ruling,
In second.
if I may.
Because this is not correct. People have rights in this country. I have a right. And they should respect that.
Case
I try to cooperate. I tried my best to cooperate. But this is what they do to you. And this is not correct. Sorry. Sorry. I'm just worried about my family.
Putang ina ninyong lahat. Romualdez, Lisa Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. Anong ginawa ko? Binigay ko sa DepEd! Putang na ka! Wala ka nga posisyon sa gobyerno, namimigay ka ng pera ng gobyerno eh! Putang ina ninyo! Sino ang korap? Yung mga congressman na yan na nag-hearing, anong sinasabi nila? Pagkatapos, pag na-off na ang mic, pag wala ng media, pasensya na kayo ha. Kailangan kasi namin ng pera. Mag-i-eleksyon na kasi. Wala ka nga posisyon sa gobyerno, namimigay ka ng pera ng gobyerno eh. Sirahin ito, yung tangal ng mga kasama ko sa office of the Vice President. Sasabihin nyo sa mga tao, nakaw yan, confidential funds yan. Niwala nga kayong isang proof na confidential funds yan. Naniwala lang kayo sa isang babae na ang pangalan ay Gloria Mercado na nagsabi confidential funds yan, na hindi nyo nga nilabas na wala pang confidential funds, meron ng white envelope. Kasi gusto ko lang magtrabaho. Gusto ko lang tapusin nyo na yung show ninyo dyan sa House of Representatives para makabalik na kami sa trabaho namin. Tapos ganyan ang gagawin ninyo sa amin dahil hindi kami sumusunod sa inyo, dahil ayaw na namin tumulong sa inyo.
For the years 2022,
Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order. Opo.
Order, nabasa na po yan. Ako po yung lawyer niya ngayon.
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Kasi this is a detention center.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Opo. Yes, ma'am.
For contempt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, may space kayo para dito sa kanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Diba?
Opo. Ma'am, let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's... Yes, ma'am, but before I give you the copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it?
Can you just give us a copy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue? Into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President, I mean, for the years 2022, 2023, and then, ma'am, opo, ibabasahin na po namin, ma'am, yung order na naka-address naman po. Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, isa po ulit tayo.
Just a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need my lawyers to be present?
Hindi naman po, ma'am. Hindi naman
I
po.
really
This
like
time.
my lawyers to be present, ma'am.
Opo. Ma'am, hindi po muna ngayon. Kasi, ma'am.
Who are you
doon-
transferring me now?
Yes po.
No, I really want my lawyers to be present.
Attorney, ang order ng committee ng House is
Yes.
to transfer you immediately.
I understand that,
Yes.
but I really like my lawyers to be present.
Can we arrange that while on transit?
No, I really like my lawyers to be present.
Kasi
Ma'am, we can arrange that naman, ma'am, for you. Pero ma'am, let
Can we
us...
call them now?
No, ma'am, let us implement this first, ma'am. Because we are
My
under...
lawyers to be present now. Please, please. I need my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, not here po. Opo.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the questions. So, I would like my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
And ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
Opo. So,
Please
ano po dito po,
understand.
sir?
Kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema, sir. But I need my lawyers to be present.
Before we can effect this, ma'am.
I need my lawyer. No, let them come with me. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us. Opo.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Okay.
anywhere. Just
Opo.
leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now.
Yan po.
I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat, ha?
Opo, opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-inform muna sa...
Leave the room now. You can stay there. Walang problema. Nicole, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please just leave the room now.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room now.
Ayan po, si Attorney Zulaika Lopez.
Hello, baby!
Ambulansya.
Bastos yung pulis na ito ah.
Oh.
Gago.
Asa nandun si Vice President, oh? Oh, kaya pinigilan, ah.
Nandun pa siya. Sarap.
Oo, tama,
Tarantado yung pulis na yan ah. Alamin nyo nga kung anong pangalan yan?
Hindi. Kanina, sinabihan kayo sa St. Luke. Dinala nyo dito.
Ibang driver po yun.
Naku, sir. Hindi.
Ibang driver po yun.
Hindi, sir.
Gago itong pulis na ito ah.
Asan yung abogado nila? Pangalan.
Hindi ka na si Bibi, ha? Even ang kamilitan, may representation ka mo kayo sumunod sa mali.
Hindi convict yan. Hindi suspect yan.
Kasi sir,
Bibini lang yan ng contempt.
sir, nung nanggaling kami ng batasan, sinabi ko, symptoms kami pupunta. Hindi na kami sa veterans.
Oo.
So what is that? You will bring her to St. Luke's.
Saan yan pupunta, sir? Nakita mo yung kondisyon niya? Paano tatakbo yan?
So sir, gusto niyo po.
Sir, sumunod kayo ng lawful orders. Huwag niyong alam niyo na injustice na siya sa mga tao. Huwag kayong bakla. Tama!
Last ninyo,
Para sa akin, it's a very... very unfortunate dahil yung tao na hindi pa man lang nagiging accused, no? Hindi pa napailan ng kaso, kung i-treat mo parang convictado na dadalhin mo sa women's correctional. women's correctional facilities, a place for convicted criminals. I've been the Director General of Bucor at alam ko kung anong sitwasyon dyan sa loob. Yan ay kulungan yan ng mga serving sentence, convicted felons serving sentence. Bakit mo ikulong doon yung isang babae, isang abogado na pinatawan lang ng citation for contempt? Ngayon, dadalhin mo na doon sa facility for the convicted criminals?
Ano gusto niyo, ma'am? Gusto niyo ba ito?
Yes, yung patient, sir. I know. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting physician? May gusto na ito? May facility?
Kinlose nila, sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw mo talaga ayaw mo
Design siya.
yung ambulance mo. Deadline.
Design siya on her own. Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano na?
Sukan ng general
Cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng mga media?
Apo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go. Okay, double time.
Ding! I-release mo ang media.
Release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan na sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para
Hanggang
makita
dyan
na
lang, para
natin.
makita ng camera.
Sige mo.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
Veterans yan. We're going to bring it to veterans. Considering that as requested, Attorney Zoraida Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared to the Center in Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Remulla. Ma'am, may sabi ni SILG Remulla,
Yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
ma'am, hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SILG John Vic Remulla, transfer of Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG, John Vic Remulla. Ma'am, Assurance yun?
I don't live in your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. I know where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness.
Dito naman mo sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila sa
VP.
media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, diba?
Yes, promise. Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am? VP, baka ma'am, paano ma'am? Paano?